Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Woman crocheted round jacket designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of jacket designs. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, color combination, contrasts, women stylish crocheted round jacket designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful crocheted round jacket designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eviva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of women stylish and beautiful women crocheted round jacket designs, jacket ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.